Hey guys, Jesse Razzle here once again. Super excited about doing another tactical review for one of our local marketing hacks members. Of course, as a way to increase the value of our local marketing hacks membership site, we're doing tactical reviews of our members' websites and providing them some additional value in regards to training tactics and some of the things that we would do to help them attract more customers in their local market. So I'm going to go through this site real quick, talk with you a little bit about some of the things that we would do, maybe some strategies, tactics, and or small changes that we might make in order to improve their likelihood of success. So as you can see here, site is a WordPress site. If you can't tell that, you can look at the backend coding and see that it's a WordPress site. So first and foremost, performance is one of the top concerns of ours when we're talking about WordPress sites: performance, security, and optimization. And with our local marketing toolkit, of course, you get our premium technology stack, the RazoRSharp Networks technology stack with our local marketing strategy. So that's one of the things that we do in order to increase the performance of the site, improve the security, and then of course also improve the SEO or organic search results in regards to the site. And we're going to take a look at those items in just a bit. First and foremost, since performance is a big concern, we did a performance test on the site. And as you can see, there's a couple of items that could be improved upon. The majority of them are image-based and or coding-based. So we have CSS, JavaScript that can be improved. Then, of course, optimization of images here. There's a whole list of them. So if the user went on there and they took a look at their coding and they minified their CSS, JavaScript, what I would recommend is purchasing and installing WP Rocket and then also Imagify as two premium power listing or two premium plugins in order to go onto this site so that you could improve the performance of the site. That's kind of the first step. And then of course, if you're thinking about security, make sure that it is behind a firewall and on a content distribution network, so people aren't even actually accessing the site. They're accessing a copy of the site on somebody else's server. It can help improve security. And if you've ever had any type of breach on your website, you know that security is an incredibly important part, something to think about there. So that's the first thing that you're going to want to do. Of course, we love the site in regards to content, the way that it's laid out. What is PDR? With all of our clients, we talk with them about generating a media plan around their customers, the work that they do, and educating future customers, and then publishing that content online. We utilize WordPress in order to do that. It's got a content management system that makes it incredibly easy to add pages and posts, and we want to make sure that our clients are building on their websites each and every day. And WordPress makes that really easy to do over a traditional HTML site and or other content management sites. And what we do is we actually have an entire technology stack that makes it quickly and easy to add pages and posts, test the market, do rapid testing of the market, which improves the success of our customers. But some of the things that we really love about this site is the education process has started. We've also broken out service areas. As you can see here on the site, this customer has broken out his service areas, and then he's linking those service areas based off of the product and or service that he's offering. We want to make sure that we're utilizing business directory and business page listings in order to support this information. Again, we talk about the hub and spoke model. Having that in place, having your locations broke out, and then having your products broke out are two important factors in regards to searching or appearing as a much bigger company online. So we want to make sure that we're doing that. So I'm going to talk with you a little bit about how this page is showing up from an SEO standpoint. As you can see here in their heyday, let's see, over the last 5 years, they ranked for over 51 keywords, but as competition continues to grow in their market, as you can see, their SEO is getting a little bit more competitive. So our strategy with this, again, is to continue to add pages and posts. What we also do is add content around the work that you do on a day-to-day basis, the customers that you serve, and educating future customers. So all those repair videos, instead of just publishing those online, of course, we publish them on the websites, and then we syndicate them into social media sites to create road signs back to the web page. This is a way to build up SEO, build up your presence and authority online. And as you can see here, you can start off as an industry leader, and over time, if you're not growing your website, it's dying on you. So that's one of the things we talk about. It's just like business. If you're not growing, you're dying. I'm going to give you an example of one of our customers, and we're going to show you the difference between what it is that they're doing from an SEO standpoint. As you can see here, over the last 5 years, this is about when we started to serve this client. And as you can see, there have been some setbacks, but an overall upward trend that continues to today. They're ranking for over 128 keywords, which is incredibly powerful. The goal is to get them to 300 keywords and have their SEO rank as high as their paid advertising, because that's an incredibly important part. If we look at the paid advertising, as you can see here, there is not a lot of data for this customer, so there's a lot of opportunity there. If they don't have a paid advertising plan into Google and or Facebook, we can easily drive more business that way. If we have a plan in place, if we're driving them to landing pages and things of that nature that help them convert business online. One of the things that we see on this site also is that they're requesting that they schedule a repair. What we encourage people to do is lean away from scheduling repairs, lean away from giving free estimates or quick quotes or anything like that, and start leaning towards qualifying them for the incredible value that you provide through the PDR process. You actually provide a service that is by far the best service in the industry in order to repair dents, dings, automotive hail repair, all those types of things. There's so much value in regards to that. Now, not all repairs qualify for paintless dent repair, but the customers that do save a tremendous amount of time and money, and there's all kinds of value that you could sell there. So let's try and get away from scheduling repair, giving quick quotes, and try to start to move your communication towards giving people or putting people through a qualification process. Now, additionally, we have our customer reviews here, and two things about the customer review page. First and foremost, as you can see here, these are just snippets of text that are cut and pasted to the page, which don't hold as much weight as if you were utilizing software in order to aggregate your reviews onto your page and then syndicate those online. What I mean by that is if we take a look at customer review page of one of our customers, as you can see here, we've got their reviews from Google+, Facebook, and Yelp. We've got their review slider here, and what we do with this is we aggregate all the reviews on the review page with a small call to action, which gives them the ability to review. They also got review links to their individual channels. So as you know, reviews are an incredibly important part of the local marketing strategy, and they serve a definite purpose in regards to how you rank online. You definitely, from a strategy standpoint, want to get more reviews more frequently than your competition and utilize that as a performance indicator of who's going to dominate the marketplace where you're located. So reviews are an incredibly important and powerful part of the strategy. Again, what I would lean away from is just cutting text and pasting it on your site and utilizing software in order to aggregate reviews from Google+, Facebook, and Yelp. So don't have much more time. Again, doing a lot of great things before and after, documenting what you do on a day-to-day basis and publishing every single day is incredibly important and powerful. Making sure that you get your before and after videos, before and after pictures, so you can document the repairs that you're doing. One of the things that I don't see on this site is customer review videos. Customer review videos are an incredibly powerful and important part of the process. They create what's called social proof, which increases the level of security in regards to future customers. So if there's a lot of social proof on your site, it makes it easier for other people to do business with you, because you're not the one telling the end user whether or not you have a good product or service. You have customers that are doing that for you. You want to set your site up so you're actually your customers are selling your products and services for you. So this is, again, another tactical review of one of our local marketing hacks. Customers, if you're not a local marketing hack subscriber yet, go ahead and look for a link in the description of this email. If you'd like to get more information on our local marketing strategies or done-for-you service, look for a link as well. Until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day, and we'll talk with you real soon.